Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix R.E.P.O game not launching or won't launch issue, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, not loading, stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to remove the modes. So if you are using modes, then that could easily be the issue. Lots of them are outdated since the new update and are now incompatible. So simply remove any modes that you are using and then you can launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on R.E.P.O game and then select properties. Go to installed files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on R.E.P.O game and then select properties. Now in the launch options, type -DX11, close the tab, then launch the game and check. If it doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the launch option commands and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on R.E.P.O game and then click on manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Over here, right click on R.E.P.O exe file and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here from the game installation folder and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again from here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check if it fixes your problem or not. If still your problem is not solved, then again right click on R.E.P.O exe file, go to properties, go to compatibility tab, untick all these 3 options, then hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next solution is to rename or delete the save game files. But please take a note, you must create a backup first because you will lose all the save game progress. So here how to rename or delete the save game files of R.E.P.O game. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see the app data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local low folder, then open semi work folder. Then right click on this R.E.P.O folder and then copy it and then paste it to desktop first to keep the backup. And then right click on this R.E.P.O folder and then click on rename. You can either rename it and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you can right click on this R.E.P.O folder and then select delete to delete it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to update the graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it. Expand display adapters, right click on your graphic card driver, then select update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers and then close it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in the video description. You have to search and select your correct graphic card driver, download it and then reinstall it and then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on the NVIDIA website, you have to search your driver version over here and then select Windows operating system, then click on find. Then you have to download GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. And then select custom advanced option, then click on next and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to Windows security user allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app to control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open repo folder, then select repo exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Then click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder. Open repo folder. Select repo exe file and then click open and then click on add. Now in my case repo exe file is already in the list. So close it and then click on OK. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then you have to allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program, play the game, and later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix it is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down. You have to download both x64 and x86 version. You have to download both the version. So first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then click on x86 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, right click on repo game, then select properties. Now turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game. So turn it off and then launch the game and check. Disable Discord overlay. So launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, then click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience setting general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix and close conflicting or unnecessary program. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to your PC, unplay the Logitech or Trustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now if none of the solution work for you, then simply uninstall repo game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then launch the game and check. So by this way you can easily fix repo game not launching or won't launch problem, crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen, freezing problem, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.